Are you constantly worrying about your kidney health, perhaps even wondering if what you eat for dinner is unknowingly burdening them? Many people don't realize the critical role their evening meal plays in supporting these vital organs. But what if there were simple, delicious foods you could enjoy tonight that actively help your kidneys recover while you sleep? Dinner truly offers a pivotal opportunity for kidney wellness, providing a restorative chance overnight. Choosing the right foods can significantly reduce the burden on your kidneys, encourage healing, and promote better overall health. This article highlights 6 science-backed dinner foods that specifically support renal recovery, revealing the nutritional reasons behind their effectiveness and providing simple meal ideas to help your kidneys bounce back as you sleep. Number 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutritional powerhouse, often overlooked, but it is incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Its comprehensive nutrient profile includes an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health, and folate, which plays a crucial role in cell growth and metabolism. Furthermore, cauliflower is packed with dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut, which indirectly supports overall organ function. Beyond its basic nutrient composition, cauliflower offers significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are particularly beneficial for renal function. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can damage kidney tissues over time. The compounds found in cauliflower, such as sulforaphane, help to combat these harmful processes, providing a protective shield for your kidneys and promoting their ability to repair and rejuvenate overnight. One of cauliflower's greatest advantages for those managing kidney health is its versatility as a low-potassium side dish. High potassium levels can be a concern for individuals with impaired kidney function, as the kidneys may struggle to excrete excess amounts. Cauliflower provides a delicious and flexible alternative to higher potassium vegetables like potatoes, making it a staple for kidney-friendly meals. It can be steamed, roasted, or mashed to create satisfying and nutritious accompaniments to your dinner. For instance, you might consider roasting cauliflower florets with a sprinkle of your favorite low-sodium herbs and a drizzle of olive oil. The roasting process brings out a delightful nutty flavor and tender texture. Another idea is to lightly steam cauliflower and then mash it with a small amount of unsalted butter or a dairy-free alternative, creating a creamy and comforting side that is gentle on your kidneys. This versatile vegetable can easily be incorporated into almost any dinner, ensuring your kidneys receive the support they need as you prepare for rest. Now, let's explore another vibrant option that offers a burst of antioxidants. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are often celebrated as a superfood, and for good reason, especially when it comes to kidney protection. They are incredibly rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant blue hue. These powerful compounds play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress that can damage kidney cells. This antioxidant activity helps to protect your kidneys from daily wear and tear, supporting their ability to recover and maintain optimal function. One of the key reasons blueberries are a favored fruit for kidney-friendly diets is the remarkably low levels of sodium, phosphorus, and potassium. For individuals managing kidney conditions, limiting the intake of these minerals is often critical, as impaired kidneys may struggle to process and eliminate them efficiently. Blueberries offer a delicious and safe way to enjoy fruit without adding an undue burden on your renal system, making them an ideal choice for a nighttime snack or dinner addition. Incorporating blueberries into your dinner routine can be both easy and delicious. Consider adding fresh blueberries to a refreshing kidney-friendly salad, where their subtle sweetness can perfectly complement savory greens and a light vinaigrette. This adds not only flavor, but also a powerful antioxidant boost to your meal. Blueberries can also serve as a wonderful topping for kidney-friendly desserts, such as a small serving of plain unsweetened yogurt or a homemade fruit compote, offering a satisfying end to your dinner without compromising your kidney health. Imagine a light salad with mixed greens, a few slices of cucumber, and a scattering of fresh blueberries, dressed with a simple lemon herb dressing. This combination provides hydration, fiber, and potent antioxidants, all while being gentle on your kidneys. Alternatively, for a sweet treat, a small bowl of unsweetened almond milk yogurt topped with a handful of blueberries can be a delightful and kidney-safe dessert. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch, and our next food option brings high-quality protein to the table without the usual phosphorus concerns. Number 3, egg whites. Egg whites are an excellent and often recommended protein source for individuals focusing on kidney health, primarily because they offer high-quality protein with significantly less phosphorus compared to whole eggs or many types of meat. When kidneys are compromised, managing phosphorus intake is vital, as excess phosphorus can build up in the blood, leading to bone and heart problems. Egg whites provide the essential amino acids your body needs for repair and maintenance, without the added phosphorus burden found in the yolk. The high-quality protein in egg whites plays a crucial role in supporting muscle balance, which is particularly important for those with chronic kidney disease. Maintaining muscle mass is essential for overall strength and well-being, but many protein sources can be high in phosphorus and potassium. Egg whites offer a lean, efficient way to meet protein requirements, helping to prevent muscle wasting while keeping the intake of problematic minerals in check. This makes them a cornerstone of a kidney-friendly diet. Incorporating egg whites into your dinner can be surprisingly versatile and delicious. For a light yet satisfying meal, consider preparing an egg white omelet filled with kidney-friendly vegetables like chopped bell peppers, onions, and spinach. This provides a customizable and nutrient-dense dinner option. Another simple idea is to hard-boil egg whites, slice them, and use them as a protein-rich topper for a kidney-friendly salad, adding substance and satiety without excess phosphorus. Imagine a fluffy egg white omelet sautéed with a medley of colorful, low-potassium vegetables and a dash of your favorite dried herbs. This makes for a quick and nutritious dinner that is kind to your kidneys. Alternatively, a large mixed green salad topped with sliced hard-boiled egg whites and a light vinaigrette offers a refreshing and satisfying meal. These simple preparations ensure you get the protein you need while safeguarding your kidney health. Moving from land to sea, our next recommendation brings healthy fats and more high-quality protein to the recovery process. Number 4, sea bass and other lean fish. Sea bass, along with other lean fish varieties such as cod or snapper, stands out as an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for tissue repair and overall body function. Furthermore, these fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can significantly impact kidney function, so incorporating foods that help manage it is crucial for renal health and overnight recovery. Omega-3s can help reduce the inflammatory load on your kidneys, promoting a healthier internal environment. While lean fish offers immense benefits, portion control is particularly important for kidney health. Although fish provides high-quality protein, consuming excessively large portions can still place a greater burden on the kidneys to filter waste products. A moderate serving size, typically around 3 to 4 ounces, is generally recommended to ensure you receive the beneficial nutrients without overworking your renal system. This mindful approach allows your kidneys to process efficiently and recover as you sleep. There are numerous delicious and kidney-friendly ways to prepare sea bass and other lean fish for dinner. Grilling is an excellent option as it requires minimal added fats and allows the natural flavors of the fish to shine. Baking is another gentle cooking method that preserves nutrients and keeps the fish moist and tender. For a lighter meal, consider flaking cooked sea bass into a mixed green salad, providing a boost of protein and healthy fats without heavy sauces. Picture a perfectly grilled sea bass fillet, seasoned with lemon and dill, served alongside steamed cauliflower or a fresh green salad. This combination offers a balanced, kidney-friendly meal that is both satisfying and beneficial. Another approach might be baked cod with a side of roasted red bell peppers, providing a delightful array of flavors and textures. The inclusion of these lean fish options can significantly contribute to your kidney's overnight recovery, and our next fruit offers yet another layer of antioxidant protection. Number 5. Red or purple grapes. Red or purple grapes are not just a delightful snack. They are a fantastic addition to a kidney-friendly dinner, primarily due to their rich content of anthocyanins and other antioxidants. These compounds are powerful allies in supporting vascular health, which directly impacts kidney function. Healthy blood vessels ensure proper blood flow to the kidneys, allowing them to efficiently filter waste and toxins. By protecting your circulatory system, grapes indirectly provide significant support for your kidney's overnight recovery process. Incorporating grapes into savory dishes and salads is surprisingly easy and can add a burst of flavor and visual appeal. For instance, having red grapes and tossing them into a mixed green salad with a light vinaigrette provides a sweet and tangy counterpoint to the greens. They can also be a delightful addition to a kidney-friendly chicken or fish dish, perhaps roasted alongside the main protein to bring out their sweetness. This versatility makes them a simple yet effective way to boost your antioxidant intake at dinner. Despite their numerous benefits, it's important to consume grapes in moderation, particularly for individuals on fluid-restricted diets. While grapes are generally kidney-friendly due to their low sodium and phosphorus content, their water content should be considered within daily fluid limits if you have advanced kidney disease. Enjoying them in sensible portions ensures you reap their antioxidant benefits without exceeding your fluid allowance, allowing your kidneys to rest and repair. Imagine a vibrant salad featuring crisp lettuce, a few slices of cucumber, and a generous scattering of halved red grapes, perhaps with a sprinkle of feta cheese if appropriate for your diet. This offers a refreshing and satisfying dinner component that is rich in beneficial compounds. Another idea is to lightly roast grapes alongside lean protein like chicken breast or sea bass, creating a delicious caramelized sweetness that complements the savory main course. The next group of foods offers a foundation for nearly any kidney-friendly meal. Number 6. Leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, etc. Leafy greens, such as spinach and lettuce, are cornerstones of a kidney-healthy diet, provided the right varieties are chosen. For individuals focusing on kidney health, it is essential to select leafy greens that are naturally low in potassium. While spinach is rich in nutrients in larger quantities, it can be higher in potassium and oxalates, which might need to be moderated for some kidney conditions. However, lighter greens like butter lettuce, romaine, or spring mix are excellent choices, offering a wealth of benefits without posing a potassium concern. These greens are incredibly rich in essential vitamins, including vitamin K and various B vitamins, and are an excellent source of dietary fiber. The fiber content in leafy greens aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, which can help in the elimination of waste products, thereby supporting the kidney's detoxification efforts. This gentle support helps your kidneys perform their crucial functions more efficiently, contributing to their overnight recovery and overall well-being. Leafy greens are incredibly versatile and can form the basis of many hearty dinner salads and wraps. For a satisfying dinner, Consider building a large salad with a base of mixed greens like romaine or butter lettuce, topped with other kidney-friendly ingredients such as grilled lean protein, sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, and a light, homemade vinaigrette. Alternatively, large lettuce leaves can serve as healthy wraps for a filling of lean ground turkey or shredded chicken with vegetables, offering a low-carb and kidney-friendly alternative to bread. Picture a vibrant dinner salad composed of crisp romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced radishes, topped with a grilled chicken breast and a light lemon herb dressing. This provides a nutrient-dense and hydrating meal that supports your kidneys. Another option could be using large butter lettuce leaves as a wrap for a mixture of lean ground turkey, seasoned with kidney-friendly spices and finely diced vegetables. These greens provide a fantastic foundation for a cleansing and restorative dinner. How these foods promote overnight kidney recovery. The kidneys are remarkable organs, tirelessly filtering waste and toxins from your blood, balancing fluids and electrolytes, and producing hormones. During the overnight rest cycle, when your body is naturally focused on repair and regeneration, providing the right nutrients becomes even more critical. Antioxidants, like those found in blueberries and grapes, combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to kidney damage, allowing cells to repair. Fiber, abundant in cauliflower and leafy greens, aids in the gentle elimination of waste, reducing the workload on your kidneys. High-quality protein from egg whites and lean fish supplies the necessary building blocks for cellular repair without overburdening the filtration system. By minimizing inflammation and providing essential nutrients, these foods help your kidneys perform their vital cleansing and restorative functions more efficiently while you sleep. Foods to avoid at dinner for kidney health. To truly support your kidneys, it's just as important to know what to limit at dinner. Common culprits that stress the kidneys include foods high in sodium, which can lead to fluid retention and elevated blood pressure, making your kidneys work harder. Foods rich in phosphorus, such as certain processed cheeses, dark sodas, and highly processed meats, can cause phosphorus to build up in the blood, leading to bone weakness and other complications. Similarly, highly processed meats often contain excessive sodium and phosphates, posing a significant burden. Minimizing these foods at night is essential because it gives your kidneys a much-needed break from processing difficult compounds, allowing them to focus on recovery and repair during your body's natural rest period. Simple dinner meal ideas, combining kidney-friendly foods. Crafting kidney-friendly dinners can be both simple and delicious. Imagine a baked sea bass fillet seasoned with fresh dill and lemon, served alongside roasted cauliflower florets and a crisp mixed green salad with blueberries. Another idea could be an egg white omelet filled with sautéed low-potassium vegetables like bell peppers and onions, accompanied by a small side of red grapes. For flavoring dishes without excess salt, embrace herbs like parsley, basil, and oregano, use garlic and onion powder, or squeeze fresh lemon juice over your meals. These combinations ensure your kidneys receive optimal support without sacrificing taste. Making smart dinner choices can provide crucial overnight support for your kidneys. By focusing on nutrient-rich, kidney-friendly foods like cauliflower, blueberries, egg whites, lean fish, grapes, and select leafy greens, you actively help your body recover, maintain overall health, and enhance your quality of life. Embracing these delicious meals allows your kidneys to bounce back, working optimally as you sleep.